Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. I know मेरा channel non-existent है, but I think I want to reinitiate this because I feel like I have some meaningful experiences, especially with my pregnancy, that I feel like I want to share about it. So yeah, I'm going to start sharing some of my experiences around pregnancy on this channel, and I hope you find it meaningful as well. So today I'm going to talk about water birthing experience that I had. So Mena, like even before pregnancy, I've always been fascinated by water birthing. So for people who don't know what water birthing is, here you deliver your baby inside water, and apparently it is less stressful for both the mother and the child because the baby, when the baby is born, the baby is also in your womb in an amniotic sac which has water, and when the baby transitions into water, it is a gentler transition. And they say that mother ke liye bhi sahi hai because the mother, it's less painful. तो मैंने बहुत सुना था water birthing, and I was hooked on to the idea कि करवाओगी तो मैं water birthing कराऊंगी. So right from the time I conceived, I started looking around in Bangalore कि कहाँ कराते हैं water birthing and who is the expert and everything. तो सब कुछ रिसर्च करने के बाद, the area where I stay, there are not a lot of hospitals in general who offer water birthing, but I did find one hospital. It's on Bannerghatta Road that offers water birthing facility. It's a Rainbow Hospital. And I was like, हाँ मुझे तो यही कराना है, and like I got hooked on to the entire idea. But what you don't realize is जो तुम देखते हो और जो एक्चुअली तुम्हारे साथ होता है इन दैट मोमेंट, दे आर लाइक पोल्स अपार्ट. Because I never imagined the level of pain you have to endure. Because हम लोग सुनते कि हाँ labor is like the most painful, and सारे pain scales also, if you see, I was looking at I think recently I was looking at a chart in which there was like pain rating with like cancer, with broken bones and everything, and सबसे high rating was like the birthing pain, the labor pain. So but when you read about it and when you go through, it's like completely different experience. So I wasn't prepared for the pain. So let me tell you about my story. So I was throughout my pregnancy, I did not have, touch wood, a lot of complication. I didn't have any complication, to be honest, and it was a healthy pregnancy. In spite of the fact that I conceived at the age of 36, and when I had Mishika, I was 37. Despite all of those stats, and they tell you कि यार 35 के बाद बहुत मुश्किल होता है, ऐसा मेरे साथ कुछ नहीं हुआ. Very normal, very good pregnancy, I would say. Lucky to have a positive experience of pregnancy. So yeah, so I had completed my 40 weeks, exactly 40 weeks. In fact, the date that was suggested to me was 21st December in my initial scan, and the day that I actually had Mishika was the 21st. So yeah, I exactly had it for 40 weeks, and I prepared for water birth. So water birth में क्या preparation लगता है? So of course you need to be very agile, and you need to learn to open your pelvic, and you need to learn to be calm. You need to learn breathing practices. And again, I'm not going to go into like details of all of that. Maybe I'll do it in another episode. Now that I've decided to do more episodes, I just want to talk about water birthing and my labor experience in this episode. uh, so yeah, so 40 weeks and everybody is calling and like, Sonal kuch hua? Sonal, did you have labor pains? Ye hua kuch nahi hua. In fact, I had friends who were pregnant at the same time, unka ho gaya. एंड उनका डेट एक्चुअली मेरे बाद था. सो आई वॉज इन माई हेड कि यार कब होएगा, लेबर पेन्स नहीं हो रहे, क्या होएगा. So anyway, the 40th week, exactly on that day night, my water broke. It's a story, again, a different episode, how it broke and what did I do to ensure कि labor pain shuru ho jaye. But I had natural labor pains starting at the week 40. Yeah, so just give me a second. I think someone's knocking. I will continue this video. Sorry, so Mishika wanted to join me, and Mishika is not okay with staying away from mommy. So yeah, so let me tell you about, I was telling you about my experience. So on the 40th week, right, sharp on the 40th week, my water broke early in the morning around 5, and the pain was like your period's pain. It was not very different, na Mishu? So Mishika wanted to come out and um, yeah, so it started like your normal periods pain that you would have. So I thought that the entire labor is so chill, and मेरा तो आज water birth हो रहा है. I'm पूरा happy कि यार चलो. I'd already packed my um, the hospital things that I wanted to take, so the bag was already ready. All we had to do is just pick it up and go to the hospital. So that's exactly what we did. So exactly at 6 in the morning, I picked my bag and we went to the hospital. And this was the hospital that I had told them that I want to have the water birth. You have to book it in advance. It's a different room where in your room you will have this. Yeah, Mishu. Yeah, Mishu. Yeah, Mishu. Okay, so where in your room you will have the birthing experience. It's not a labor room, it's your own room, and you have this entire. You have this entire tub, or a huge tub sort of, where they fill it up with water. Yeah, Mishu? You're not going to let Mama make the video? Mama is making the video now. Okay, okay. Mama is making the video. Everybody wants to know how was my water birthing experience, Mishu. What do you want to talk? Okay, cut. I will come back and I'll continue the story. Just give me some time. Hopefully, I finished this video today. So I'm back, and I've tried to put Mishika to sleep. So okay, so let's finish this video. By the way, I do remember that I have a video of the entire tub and how it looks, so I will put that out in the video so you can see how the setup was. So सब कुछ ready था. Sorry, where was I? Yeah, so we packed our bags and we were there at the hospital, and we told them that we wanted the birthing experience. So we had already registered and everything. So they took us to this room. It was a huge room, and you had a tub, so you can get into it when your labor actually starts picking up. The contractions start picking up, and I was fine till about 7. Periods जैसा cramping हो रहा था. It wasn't anything major, so I was very relaxed, and in fact, from my second trimester, I had worked with a prenatal yoga specialist, and she was very good. She taught me all the breathing exercises and what to do. In fact, she also volunteered to be my doula. So again, doula is someone who will be present with you and help you with your labor contractions, and she was very nice. And she said, I also called her up and I said कि यार labor contractions have started. So she said कि ठीक है, I'll be there in an hour or so, and in the meanwhile, whatever breathing I've taught you, just practice that and I'll be there in no time. So I had, at this point, I had my husband and my doula, the yoga instructor. She would be there in about an hour's time. I did not want anyone else because I had made a conscious decision. I did not want my family, like my mother or Kaushal's mom or my sister or anyone to be there, because it's a moment like you need to be very relaxed, and I did not want them to stress out, or my mom to see me and stress out, and that would stress me out further. I just wanted it to be a very calm room, and I thought कि यार क्या amazing calm experience होएगा. लेबर, ये लोग ऐसे ही बोलते हैं लेबर पेन्स, बट मेरा तो बिल्कुल काम होएगा. तो मैंने अपना म्यूजिक लगा दिया, एंड आई थिंक इट वाज about 8. The doctor came in, and of course check होता है कि आपका cervix कितना dilate हुआ है. तो cervix आपका जब 10 तक पहुँचता है and dilate होता है, that's when you deliver or you push the baby out. So my cervix was at 1.5 to 2, but she said jaldi ho jayega. They did an internal exam, and that's another thing you get used to, like all the nurses coming in checking how much you're dilated. But she came in and she said nahi lagta hai ki this will be quick, just whatever you want. You want the ball and you want music, we'll do it. Just get into the water when you feel ki labor pains bahut zyada ho rahe hain. तो आई सेड ठीक है, एंड आई वाज ऑल कि चलो अब करते हैं. आई थिंक एट अराउंड 8:30 or something, the labor pain actually started kicking in. And जब लोग बोलते हैं labor pain, what they mean is a very different kind of pain that you would have not experienced up till that point. It starts like period pain, which is minor cramping that you feel, but it actually comes in waves. And I mean, बोलते थे कि यार waves की तरह है कि I couldn't imagine कि यार waves की तरह कैसे आते हैं. But when they say कि waves की तरह आते हैं, उनका मतलब होता है कि like they start slow and then they start peaking. तो ऐसा एक peak आता है and then the pain goes down, and then after some time it again starts peaking. एक peak आता है and then the pain subsides. तो ऐसा साइकिल चलता रहता है, एंड इसके बीच में डिस्टेंस स्टार्ट्स डिक्रीजिंग. तो एक वो जो पीक आया, पहले 10 मिनट के बाद दूसरा पीक आएगा, फिर शायद 5 मिनट, फिर 3 मिनट, फिर 2 मिनट. तो एक कंटिन्यूसली जब पीक आ रहा है, दैट्स द टाइम यू आर क्लोज टू एक्चुअली हैविंग योर बेबी. तो मेरा पीक स्टार्ट हो गया. It started with like when I was timing it, it was 7-8 minutes apart, and it was bearable. ऐसा नहीं था कि I was not able to bear it. My yoga instructor was there by then. उसके बाद 9 या 10 बजे के बाद जो जो इंटेंसिटी हुई है वो लेबर पेन की, ऐसे लग रहा था कि भाई माई बोन्स वेर एक्चुअली ब्रेकिंग. लाइक द लिटरल फीलिंग वाज लाइक माई बोन्स वेर ब्रेकिंग, and it the peak was just too much. So then they said कि ठीक है, you get into the tub and water acts as a natural painkiller, तो तुम्हारा हो जाएगा. लाइक नो टेंशन, वाटर के अंदर जाओ, आराम से अपना relax karo. And I have always loved water. Even when I take bath, I take in a very hot water that they say बोलते कि नहीं लेना चाहिए, but मुझे पसंद है. I like hot water. And I thought कि ऐसे ही होएगा, hot water होएगा, अपना relax होएगा, उतना pain feel नहीं होएगा. But problem ये है ना कि I got into the water and there was a lot of anxiety. Nobody teaches you to deal with anxiety. Of course, I had my doula and she was telling me कि breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and मतलब सब कुछ बोल रही थी वो. And I was like नहीं हो पा रहा है. And at that moment, no, they say funny things to you that doesn't make sense at all. जब pain हो रहा है, she's telling me breathe in and breathe out, and your breath is everything in life, we are breath. and मुझे लग रहा है यार ये मत बोलो ना, we are breath. वो मुझे पता है breath, but it's like it's so intense and you're telling me कि यार everything is breath, you just have to relax and everything. नहीं होता भाई relax. It is not relaxing at all. So yeah, I mean, it continued for some time. I was in the water, but I couldn't take it. So at around 10:30, 11, I came out and I said, मुझसे नहीं होएगा. And I started screaming. And then, of course, मेरी जो yoga instructor, she was like trying to press my back. And जैसे वो peak आता था, I would be like, epidural do. And जैसे peak, it used to go, I used to be like, okay, maybe I can manage for some more time. I don't need epidural. And then the peak used to come and I'm like, epidural, nurses. And the nurses used to, come in and they want you to sign a form. And my husband's like, are you sure you want to do this? You wanted water birthing, I thought. Are you sure you want to do this? I'm looking at him and like, nahi. I don't want water birthing. I just want epidural. And then he's reminding me, he's like, but you said कि अगर मैं मांगू epidural, just try to calm me down. And like, no, I want epidural. And he's like, are you sure? And फिर वो पीक जाता था. I would be like, चलो manage कर लूँगी. But ऐसे कर करा के ना, I think 12 बज गए थे. I think I must be like around 4 centimeter dilated by then. तो dilation हो रहा था, contractions हो रहा था, but 12 बजे तक I had given up. I was like, I am not doing this shit. And then, my doula is saying things like, you must have experienced the other pains. This pain will also go. It's also like that. And I looked at her and I'm like, this is no shit pain like I've experienced before. I have experienced a surgery. I have experienced burns. I have experienced metacarpal fracture. I have experienced toothache, to root canals, to whatever shit. No, no, no. None of those pain is similar to this pain. And she's going on about lives gyan at that point of time, and it just didn't make sense. So I did take the epidural, but they took so much time to get me the epidural. Like, they took me in, and by 12:31, that's when they took me inside, and I'm screaming and I'm shouting like, epidural do. And they take you in and wait kar rahe, and like, I'm like, क्यों wait कर रहे हो यार, दो epidural मुझे. And then they give me the epidural, and guess what, the pain does not subside. The pain does not freaking subside. It's still like hurting, and I am screaming. I'm like, nahi hua effect epidural ka. Then this guy comes in, he's giving me, I don't know, do or shots de diye. Or the best part is at that point when I'm screaming, I'm saying it's not having an impact. He's also got another student with him, and he's like telling, so see, sometimes in these patients you give epidural and does not have that impact, so you will have to give additional injections. And he gave me 2 additional injections. पता नहीं क्या दिया, पर वो बता भी रहा है स्टूडेंट को वेरी कामली कि देखो इन सारे पेशेंट्स में कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है. एंड आई एम लुकिंग एंड लाइक, डूड, योर शिट हैज स्टिल नॉट वर्कड. Like, none of the things that you gave me is working. It's still hurting. And then he comes and he's like, Acha, on a scale of 10, your pain must have reduced a little bit, right? And I'm like, doesn't seem like it's reduced, but okay. So by the time all this happened, it was like 2 o'clock. And so what happened in a few cases, what happens is when they give you epidural, usually the pain subsides, but it takes longer. The labor contraction slows down and it takes longer. मेरे case में क्या हुआ, because of the epidural, I was 4 centimeter when they gave it to me. I was almost 10 centimeter dilated in that 1 or 2 hours. Yeah, I was almost dilated. And 2:30, everybody is running around the room and they're like, oh, call the doctor, the doctor's not here. And I'm like, okay, so this is it. Like, so we're going to deliver the baby now. And everybody's like, yeah. And so I was like, okay. And all of a sudden, the room became so busy. The nurses going around, they're doing their thing. And then suddenly see my doctor. She wears a gown walking in, and she's like, she just gets into it. And she's like, okay, let's start. And the problem with epidural is, like, when they give you epidural, you don't feel anything. After a point, I could feel the pain. I could feel the waves. Like, I could feel that the pain wasn't that intense, but I could feel that something is coming and going. Like, that's how I can describe it. But I realized I could not feel anything down there. And then, of course, they're asking me to push. They're like, you're 10 centimeters dilated. Push. क्या पुश करूँ भाई, कुछ सेंसेशन नहीं हो रहा, कहाँ से पुश करूँ. And then, of course, there was this nurse who tried to help me, and she tried to push Mishika out, and like, I couldn't feel, so I'm not pushing. So they actually had to do a vacuum assisted delivery. They had to put in a vacuum and get Mishika out, and Mishika came out at around 3. And this entire thing from start to finish must have been about 8 to 9 hours. And I was very blessed because I've heard that labor pain can go on for like days. But for me, I was blessed that it took like 8 to 9 hours, and the last few hours were very intense. And yeah, so that was my entire labor experience. It was supposed to be water birth, but it was not water birth eventually, but apparently it was a normal delivery that they say. I'm going to make another video on like normal versus c-section. I would say like whatever works for you, whatever keeps the baby and the mother safe should be like done. But everybody was congratulating me, and they're like, oh, you had a normal delivery. And I said, normal delivery like what? Like, uh yeah, but that was my experience. But I did have, because of the epidural, I did have some side effect. Again, rare case, I can talk about that later in another video. But this was overall my labor experience. So yeah, dramatic, but no water birthing. And I apologized to my husband because it was pretty expensive, and I told him I'm going to like do water birthing, and eventually I did natural delivery, not in water. And मेरा पूरा वो जो सपना था कि बेबी नीचे पानी में आ रहा है ऊपर, and I kiss my baby, वो that couldn't happen. But yeah, so people who want to go for water birthing, it is not easy, my dear friends. It is not easy. It looks very nice on paper, बट जब वो पेन हो रहा होता है और वो उस मोमेंट में, आई मीन बहुत मुश्किल होता है. इट इज़, यू हैव टू कीप योर सेल्फ सो काम एंड कंपोज्ड, एंड इट्स, आई डोंट नो, मेरे से तो नहीं हो पाया, एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव द guts to try it again. But yeah, hats off to all the women and who undergo that. And yeah, that was my labor experience. So thank you. And if there's something else you want me to make videos on around pregnancy, I would love to do that. Now that I have some time, Mishika is about 1 year, 2 months, and I want to share more of my personal journey of motherhood here. So I would love to make more content which is meaningful. So do let me know if you want to know anything more. I'd love to make more videos. Thank you.